Yes, Madam Chairperson. I'm glad that Social Watch mentioned the janitors, messengers, waste collectors as frontliners. Now, I have a question that I'd like to address to DOH. Are they included in the SRA? Special Risk Allowance? Kasama po ba itong mga na-mention ng Social Watch na mga personnel like those performing other services, no?
Secretary Duque?
Hindi kasama doon sa mga nurses, medical practitioners, these are janitors, etc., waste collectors, etc.
Mga
DOH,
third-party providers.
Hindi pa po ito kasama, Madam Chairperson. Karamihan po dito ay they are employed through an agency, but certainly it would be good to include them because of the risk that they face, Mr. Chairman, Madam Chairman.
Thank you, Secretary. Thank you, Madam Chairperson.